Learn Afrikaans prices. How much does cost?
Wat kos?
Welcome, from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to save cash and sound cool at the market? Let's make price asking in Afrikaans easy and fun. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to fast, memorable language learning. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and extra drills. Today, you'll master the magic question.
Wat kos?
Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for prices naturally and confidently. Stick with me for quick wins. Core phrase.
Wat kos?
How much does cost? Use it with anything you point at. The dots are the thing. Example thought. What kos this t-shirt? You'll say simply,
Wat kos?
while pointing. Variants for bonus points.
Hoeveel kos dit?
How much does it cost? And
Wat kos hulle?
how much do they cost? Tiny tip. In Afrikaans,
Kos.
can also mean food. Here, in
Wat kos?
it means cost. Context is your friend. Pronunciation and rhythm. Say it with me, nice and relaxed. We'll keep it snappy. Break it down.
Wat?
Like, voot. Plus,
Kos.
like, kos. Now,
Wat kos?
add the dots with a gentle lift.
Wat kos?
Rhyme to lock it in. What cost?
Wat kos?
Same beat, same boss. 3 repeats. Go.
Wat kos? Wat kos? Wat kos?
Mini dialogues at the market. Let's act it out, short, real, and a little funny. You jump in first. You, excuse me.
Wat kos?
Vendor.
Dit kos R50.
It costs 50 rand. You, great, thanks. You,
Wat kos?
vendor.
Dit is duur.
It's expensive. You, ouch, any chance of a discount? Vendor.
Kan ek afslag kry?
Is how you'd ask. You,
Hoeveel kos dit?
vendor.
Dit kos R200.
You, receipt please.
Asseblief, die kwitansie.
Bonus vocab in the wild.
Prys.
Price.
Goedkoop.
Cheap.
Duur.
Expensive.
Koop.
Buy.
Verkoop.
Sell. Comedy break. I asked my wallet.
Wat kos?
It heard, cost, and played dead. Rapid fire drills. Your turn, call and response. Point, ask, smile. This t-shirt. Say it.
Wat kos?
That coffee. Go.
Wat kos?
These postcards. Quick.
Wat kos?
Then.
Wat kos hulle?
When unsure.
Hoeveel kos dit?
Polite combo.
Wat kos? Asseblief.
Culture tip. Sound local, stay friendly. At South African craft markets, you'll hear
Wat kos?
all day, friendly and to the point. Smile, greet, and if the price feels high, try a polite ask.
Kan ek afslag kry, asseblief?
A little warmth can turn
Duur.
into
Goedkoop.
quick quiz. Answer out loud, no pressure, just fun. Q1. How do you ask, how much does cost in Afrikaans? A.
Wat kos?
Q2. Say a variant meaning, how much does it cost? A.
Hoeveel kos dit?
Q3. What's Afrikaans for discount. A.
Afslag.
Q4, true or false?
Kos.
Only means food. A. False, it also means cost, in.
Padkos.
Your speaking challenge. 3 scenes, 3 prices, can do this. Say it fast and clear. Scene 1. You point at a carved bowl. Ask now. Say.
Padkos.
Scene 2. Single muffin at the cafe. Ask the price, then the variant. Say.
Padkos. Hoeveel kost dit?
Scene 3. A pair of sunglasses. Ask for the plural price. Say.
Wat kos hulle?
Wrap up and next steps. Nice work, your budget just high-fived you. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Padkos.
Whenever you shop, and try variants like.
Hoeveel kost dit?
And.
Wat kos hulle?
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and audio loops. Till next time, keep it friendly, keep it curious, and keep saving.